in the summertime when the weather is fine, bears like to have fun. Actually, no. I'll make it quick. We have two messages. One is from Yellow. Do what's inside the Chhota Bheem bus, please. And another one is from Gu2. Request. What's inside Chhota Bheem the bus? Okay guys, this is for you.
Hey everybody, Bod wanted to see what's inside Chhota Bheem the bus. So let's check him out.
Toys for you.
So we have movement for the eyes, the hands. Our boy goes up and down, and we have the wheel beneath that makes the bus move. Let's check him out now.
Wow, no wires or strings attached? That's a first.
Really? Can it be that simple? So many clever gears. Take a look, guys. We have the hands. So one gear is responsible for the hands. Which one of them is it? Here. So this is the lateral gears. They both move in the same time. Okay, but what about the face? Take a look. If I do this, can you see that? Look what happens here. Wow, that's so cool. So, which one is the gear for the face? Maybe this one, but this one is also responsible for the eyes. Take a look. The eyes move if I do this. Look. It's a small coil. Can you see the coil here? Okay, so it's a coil, and if I do this, if I press, look, the eyes do that. And I will try to move them both, which is kind of hard. And also this little gear is responsible for the vertical move of our boy. Look, vertical move, and you do this. And one simple gear, this is responsible for 3 movements. Here you have the engine. Okay, here is the speaker, and here are some other gears, and here is the wheel beneath that makes all the movement. Look. So easy to clip. Let's see. So, actually, when this part comes back towards me, everything is like this. You see? And when this gear goes in front, well, the boy goes up and the eyes are like this, are pressed. So this is very smart. Yeah, guys, you are smart. So this was the bus, the smart bus. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it, and stay tuned because we'll have a lot of fun stuff. We'll have Marshall, the drummer, and some other things that I will not tell you, and it's a big, nice surprise. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and like this video and share your thoughts about it. Thank you so much.
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... All right. Let's get this picture started.